Crater Lake. Crater Lake, located in south-central Oregon, is the deepest lake in the United States. Plunging to a remarkable depth of 1,949 feet. Formed by a collapsed volcano, this stunning lake is renowned for its crystal clear waters and breathtaking scenery. Not only is it the deepest in the US, but globally it ranks 10th for maximum depth and 3rd for mean depth. Crater Lake surrounded by cliffs and lush forests. Kenai Fjords National Park. Kenai Fjords National Park is a national park of the United States that comprises the Harding Ice Field. Its outflowing glaciers and coastline fjords and islands. The park covers an area of 669,984 acres on the Kenai Peninsula in south-central Alaska. Known for its massive glaciers, rugged coastline, and abundant marine wildlife, including whales and sea otters, this is a true Alaskan adventure. Glacier National Park. Glacier National Park is a national park of the United States located in northwestern Montana on the Canada. The park encompasses more than 1 million acres and includes parts of 2 mountain ranges known for its pristine lakes, dramatic mountain peaks, and wildflower-filled valleys. It's a hiker's paradise and a photographer's dream. Lake Tahoe. Lake Tahoe is a freshwater lake in the Sierra Nevada of the western United States. Its depth is 1,645 feet, making it the second deepest in the United States after Crater Lake in Oregon. Lake Tahoe is a major tourist attraction in both Nevada and California. It is home to winter sports, summer outdoor recreation, and scenery enjoyed throughout the year. Snow and ski resorts are a significant part of the area's economy and reputation. Angel Oak. The Angel Oak, situated in Angel Oak Park on Johns Island close to Charleston, South Carolina, is a remarkable southern live oak that exemplifies the resilience of nature. With an estimated age of 400 to 500 years, this extraordinary tree rises to a height of 66.5 feet and has a circumference of 28 feet. Its expansive branches extend an impressive 187 feet, providing shade over an area of 17,200 square feet. The Angel Oak is an essential nature attraction, presenting a window into history while representing the strength and endurance. Wanderlust Gorge. Wanderlust Gorge is a scenic gorge located in the Columbia River Gorge area of the American state of Oregon. Known for its lush green mosses, ferns, and waterfalls. Perfect for an adventurous hike. Wanderlust Gorge, with its 50 species of wildflowers, flowering shrubs, and trees, has been described as one of the true dramatic chasms in the state. Mono Lake. Mono Lake is a saline soda lake in Mono County, California. Formed at least 760,000 years ago as a terminal lake in an endorheic basin. The lack of an outlet causes high levels of salts to accumulate in the lake, which make its water alkaline. A surreal and unique landscape, making it one of the most photogenic spots in California. The Hanging Lake. Hanging Lake is a lake in the U.S. state of Colorado. It is located in Glenwood Canyon. A stunning turquoise lake perched high in the Colorado mountains. Surrounded by waterfalls and clear mineral-rich waters. Acadia National Park. Acadia National Park, situated along the breathtaking coastline of Maine, renowned for its varied topography. The park features impressive mountains, tranquil lakes, verdant forests, and picturesque shorelines. With an abundant array of flora and fauna, Acadia serves as a haven for nature enthusiasts, hikers, and all those seeking to immerse themselves in the splendor of the natural world. Letchworth State Park. Letchworth State Park is a 14,427-acre New York State Park. Located in Livingston County in the western part of the state of New York. It's often referred to as the Grand Canyon of the East. Letchworth boasts spectacular waterfalls and gorges with trails and opportunities for hot air ballooning. Big Bend National Park. Big Bend National Park, situated in West Texas along the Mexico border. The park is a sprawling natural wonder that spans over 1,200 plant species and is home to more than 450 bird species, 56 types of reptiles, and 75 mammals. The park features a diverse landscape of desert expanses, rugged mountains, and the winding Rio Grande River. Everglades. The Everglades is a natural region of flooded grasslands in the southern portion of the U.S. state of Florida. The Everglades experiences a sprawling wetland and wildlife sanctuary, home to alligators, manatees, and countless bird species. It's a must-see for nature enthusiasts. Blue Ridge Parkway. The Blue Ridge Parkway is a national parkway and all-American road in the United States. Noted for its scenic beauty. The parkway, which is the longest linear park in the U.S., runs for 469 miles through 29 counties in Virginia and North Carolina. The parkway has been the most visited unit of the national park system every year since 1946. Molokini Crater. Molokini is a crescent-shaped, partially submerged volcanic crater which forms a small uninhabited islet located in Alalakiki Channel. Between the islands of Maui and Koholalwe. The islet has an area of 23 acres. It's ideal for snorkeling with vibrant marine life and crystal clear waters. Badlands National Park. Badlands National Park is a stunning landscape of sharply eroded buttes, pinnacles, and layered rock formations. Covering over 242,000 acres, known for its surreal beauty, with its striking views, unique geology, and diverse wildlife, the Badlands offer an unforgettable experience for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike. Great Sand Dunes National Park. Great Sand Dunes National Park and Preserve is a national park of the United States that conserves an area of large sand dunes on the eastern edge of the San Luis Valley. The tallest dunes in North America, set against the backdrop of the Rocky Mountains, offering a unique landscape and sandboarding fun. Antelope Valley. Antelope Valley is a stunning natural wonder. Once home to pronghorns before they were tragically wiped out in the 1880s. Today, it's best known for its vibrant wildflower blooms, especially the California poppies that blanket the valley each spring. The sight of endless fields of color is nothing short of breathtaking. Making it a must-see destination for nature lovers and photographers alike.